Mag-solve tayo ng quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. Say we have x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals 0. Solve natin to using quadratic formula. But first, this is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. Ngayon, yung value ng a natin dito is 1 right here. Okay? So, a is equal to 1. Tapos, yung value ng b is negative 7. b equals negative 7. Tapos, the value of c is 10. Ngayon, meron tayong formula for the quadratic formula. Kaya nga quadratic formula eh. So, the formula is x is equal to negative b and then plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Isa-substitute lang natin yung values na to sa ating formula. So, let's begin. So, equals to negative b. b is negative 7. And then plus minus the square root of b squared. So, negative 7 squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c, which is 10. And then all over 2a. a is 1. Negative times negative is positive. So, 7 plus minus square root of negative 7 squared is 49, right? And then minus 4 times 1 times 10 is 40. All over 2 times 1, 2. Proceed tayo dito. Okay, so is equal to, we have 7 plus minus square root of 49 minus 40 is 9. So square root of 9 over 2. Square root of 9 right here is 3. So 7 plus minus 3 divided by 2. Ngayon, dalawang solutions kasi plus and minus. Yung una, x sub 1 is equal to 7 plus 3 over 2. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 over 2, which is equal to 5. Ito yung unang solution. Tapos yung isa naman, x sub 2, yung minus naman. That's 7 minus 3 over 2. 7 minus 3 is 4. So 4 over 2 or is equal to 2. Ito yung dalawang solutions. 5 tapos 2. Say we have x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. So yung value ng leading coefficient A is 1 dito. Tapos the value of B is equal to positive 5. While the value of the constant term C is 6. The formula or the quadratic formula is x is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac and then all over 2a. Substitute tayo. Negative b, b is 5. So no need sa parenthesis. Negative 5. Plus minus the square root of b squared. Ang b natin is 5. So 5 squared is 25. And then minus 4 times a times c. So 4 times a. So 4 times 1 is 4. And then times c. 4 times 6 is 24. So 24. 2a. So 2 times a is 1. Let's proceed. Negative 5 plus minus the square root of 25 minus 24 is 1 over 2 times 1 is 2. Let's proceed here. X is equal to negative 5 plus minus the square root of 1 is 1 over 2. Ngayon, may dalawa tayong solutions, plus and minus. So, x sub 1, yung isang solution is negative 5 plus 1 over 2. Negative 5 plus 1 is negative 4. And negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. So, x sub 1 is negative 2. While yung isang solution naman, yung minus. X sub 2 is equal to negative 5 minus 1 over 2. Negative 5 minus 1 is negative 6. And negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. Ito yung solutions. Negative 2 negative 3. Next, let us solve 2x squared minus 5x, and let's say minus 3 equals 0. So, the value of A, yung leading coefficient, is 2. The value of B, the linear coefficient, negative 5. The value of C, the constant term, is negative 3. The formula or the quadratic formula is negative B plus minus the square root of B squared and then minus 4 times A times C over 2A. Substitute tayo. Therefore, we have negative B. B is negative 5. So, negative times negative 5 is positive 5. So, diretso na. Positive 5 and then plus minus the square root of B squared. B is negative 5 right here. And negative 5 squared is 25. And then minus 4 times A times C. So, 4 times 2, that's 8. And 8 times negative 3 is negative 24. So, we have negative 24 here. Ngayon, negative times negative is positive. So, diretso natin. Plus 24 over 2 times A. A is 2. And 2 times 2 is 4. So, sulat natin. 5 plus minus 25 plus 24 is 49. So, square root of 49 over 4. Let's proceed here. X is equal to 5 plus and minus square root of 49 is 7. And then over 4. Paghiwalay natin. The first solution is, let's say yung plus 5 plus 7 over 4. 5 plus 7 is 12. And 12 divided by 4 is 3. So, ayan yung isang solution. While the other solution is yung minus. 5 minus 7 over 4. 5 minus 7 is negative 2. And negative 2 over 4 is negative 1 half. So, x sub 2 or the second solution is negative 1 half. Ito yung solutions. 3 tapos negative 1 half. Next, solve natin, let's say, x squared plus 3x and let's say minus 2. The leading coefficient A is equal to 1 right here. And then the value of B or the linear coefficient is 3. And the constant term is negative 2. Let's write down the quadratic formula. Negative B plus minus the square root of B squared minus 4AC over 2A. Substitute tayo ngayon. Negative B, B is 3. So, negative 3 plus minus the square root of B squared, B is 3. So, 3 squared is 9. And then minus 4 times A times C. 4 times 1 is 4. And 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. So, minus negative 8. And again, negative times negative is positive. Kaya magiging plus 8 dito. Over 2 times A is 1. And 2 times 1 is simply 2. So, sulat na lang natin dito 2. Let's proceed. Negative 3 plus minus the square root of 9 plus 8 is 17. And then, divided by 2. Ngayon, itong square root of 17, hindi mo na yan marireduce. Ganyan na yan. Because 17 is a prime number. So, pwede mo nang i-express yung solution like this. But just know, two values yan. Meron kang plus, meron kang minus. Kung gusto mong i-separate, it's up to you. Pero di na kasi yan masisimplify further. Ganyan na yan. Last, isolve natin x squared minus 4x and let's say plus 5 equals 0 using quadratic formula. The leading coefficient A is equal to 1. The linear coefficient B is negative 4 while the constant term is 5, right? The quadratic formula is x is equal to negative p plus minus the square root of p squared minus 4ac over 2 times a or 2a. Substitute tayo ngayon. Negative p, b is negative 4. So, positive 4 na yan. Plus minus the square root of b squared, b is negative 4. Negative 4 squared is 16. And then minus 4 times a times c. 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 times 5 is 20. So, 16 minus 20 over 2 times a is 1. And 2 times 1 is equal to 2. So, sulat na lang natin dito, 2. And then, let's proceed. 4 plus minus the square root of 16 minus 20 is negative 4. Okay? Negative 4 over 2. And we're taking the square root of a negative number. It means meron tayong imaginary solution or solutions. Therefore, x is equal to 4 and then plus minus square root of 4, rather negative 4 right here. Ngayon, dahil negative 4 to, gagawin ko siyang 4 times negative 1, right? And then over 2. And the square root of negative 1 is I. So, ilabas mo yung square root of negative 1, which is I. Remember, the square root of negative 1 is equal to the imaginary unit I. Therefore, we have 4 plus minus the square root of negative 1 is I. And also, the square root of 4 is 2. Right? So, 2 and then I divided by 2. Ngayon, paghiwalay natin. We have 4 over 2. That's 2. And then plus minus 2i divided by 2. So, cancel out yung 2 dyan. That's I. Ito na ngayon yung ating dalawang solutions.